everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bridget and I make hair care styling videos especially for natural hair. And today's video is exciting because I'll be trying S-Curl Texturizer Extra Strength for the very first time. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I usually stick with the regular version, but today I want to see how the extra strength works on my fussy natural hair. So without losing time, let's get into it. You're welcome. And I ordered this online. Here it did come with an instruction. This is the S-Curl Texturizer Extra Strength. Here the instructions are just unimportant and says do not shampoo hair before applying haircut, and if the hair is particularly fine or thin, do not straighten completely, leave a slide as wave information in hair. Nice. Then shampoo hair highly stressed with a conditioning neutralizing shampoo, which is designed to neutralize the softening action of the S-Curl cream. Firstly, I'm going to apply a petroleum jelly around my hairline, the hairs, and in the back to protect my skin from irritation. You can use any petroleum jelly you have. Secondly, I am going to use gloves. It's very important to use gloves to protect your hair. Here we go. Yeah, let's get started. I'm going to cover my with a towel. Now let's open it up. Here we go. Yeah, and I have this to apply. Before applying the S-Curl Texturizer, make sure your hair is dry, clean, and no build-up product. As you can see, my hair is very short. Yeah, and because my hair is very short, I'm going to apply it evenly. But if your hair is long, you can separate into small sections. Yeah, let's get started. Because the other regular version, I do 25 to 36 minutes in total. I think this is extra strength. I'm going to go for 15 minutes and I will keep checking it. And now is 12 and 9 minutes. So let's get started. I'm going to apply not on the scalp. I'm going to use a toad white comb. Yeah, as you can see now is 12:23, 15 minutes are over, and you can see my curls have started forming, and I don't want to leave it for too long because it's extra strength, so I'm going to rinse it out. And I'll be using a neutralizing shampoo to show the color indicate, and I'm going to wash it several times until the lather is white. If the lather is pink, it shows that the product is still on the hair. So let's get started. As you can see, the lather is pink, so I need to wash several times until the lather is white. I've washed it more than 4 times, and as you can see, the lather is white. So definitely it shows that the product is completely out. And now let's rinse it out. I'm going to condition the hair, and this is my favorite conditioner, Nature Box. put a little bit more. Yes, I'm going to put. Then I'll use two-dot comb and comb it through to make sure the conditioner is heavily distributed. Look at that. Yeah. And then I leave it for 1 minute and then rinse it out. I'm going to dry it up with microfiber towel because it's less abrasive. Make sure you dry your hair with microfiber towel. Yeah, now I'm going to apply leave-in conditioner. This is my favorite, as you know, my color. Yeah. Yeah. I love this, smells so good. Look at that. You can apply any of your favorite leave-in conditioner. You don't need to use exactly what I'm using. Yeah, and I come through a little bit to distribute it heavily. Yeah, here we go. Look at that, look at that. Next, I'm going to go in with Carefree Curl Gold Instant Activator. Yeah, here we go. Look at that. Thirdly, I'm going to use Come Back Next Day Curl Revitalizer. Yeah, I just kind of spray, so just to spray a little bit. Yeah. Here we go. And now I just scratch off to define my curls like that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. I feel my hair is soft, defined. Look at that. Yeah. And lastly, I'm going to use big Poppa Gel. Just a little bit to lock in the moisture. Just a little bit. Yeah, here we go. That. Yeah, my final thoughts, first impression, compared to regular texturizer, I noticed that this extra strength works quicker, and I also noticed the curls start loosening up faster, and I had to keep checking to make sure I don't overdo it. I like how my hair feels right now, soft, super defined curls, yes, and manageable. I need to see how it holds up for the next few days with moisture and styling. If you ever used extra strength, let me know in the comments section how was your experience. And that's for today. Thanks for watching me try S-Curl Texturizer Extra Strength for the first time on my 4C natural hair. And if you did this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it and drop your question and experiences in the comment section below. See you in the next time. Bye bye for now.